In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crossplay Minecraft, PlayStation 5, and mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up crossplay between PlayStation 5 and mobile or any other platform. Keep in mind that I am going to be recording this video on my PC, but all of the instructions that I give you here will work for the PlayStation console and also mobile. So it is going to be the exact same steps for any platform. The most important thing is that you and whoever else is going to be playing connect a Microsoft account. The Microsoft account is going to be the bridge between different platforms. So it is very important that you have a Microsoft account set up and you have a gamer tag. You will be able to add each other using this gamer tag. So there will be a pop-up on the home screen telling you to sign in with a Microsoft account if you haven't already. And once that is done, in order to play together, go over to the play option and then you can either create a new world or click on the edit button next to any world that you have. At the left side of the screen, you will see the multiplayer category. This is where you will be able to enable crossplay, aka multiplayer, and make sure that everything is set up correctly. So under player access, you can choose invited players if you only want people who have been directly invited by the host of the world to join, or set it to friends. So anyone who is friends with the host will be able to see this world and join. You can change the default player permissions according to your preferences and then just join the world. With these permissions changed and multiplayer enabled, in order to invite your friends, you can pause at any point. So press start, go over to invite game at the right side of the screen, and now choose the friends that you want to invite. If you still need to add your cross-platform friends, there will be an option here, usually accessed by pressing the triangle or Y button, and once you are inside of add friends, you will be able to search by them using their gamer tag. So you can ask them for their gamer tag or you send them yours, and once you send out the friend requests, they will get a notification, they accept, and then you will see them on this list. Send out the invites, they will join the world, and as long as you, the host, remains here, you will be able to play together with your friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play crossplay Minecraft, PlayStation 5, and mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.